one and all. Well, it's probably afternoon by now. We're here on a, I don't know what day, I can't remember what day it is. Terrible. Covered in white thing because I've been sanding again. Sanding around the top of the shower area in the bathroom. But it's a bit of a momentous day in the life of this place. And I'll try and get t'other half in. Because she's up a ladder, as you see. Look at that fancy tool belt.
On her day off.
On her day off. We said we were going to have the weekend off. So you now know it's the weekend. But what we're going to do today is we're going to actually put paint on a wall.
Woohoo!
So I've mixed up some...
Yay! We get to paint!
It's only acrylic primer and it's been mixed 50-50 with water just to do what they call a mist coat for the plasterboard. So we'll do that now and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like. It'll look horrible, but it's a bit of a milestone for us. See you later. As I say, momentous occasion, paint in tin, white paint, acrylic primer, mixed 50-50 with water to create a mist coat. A mist coat is really to seal the plasterboard before you put on a top coat of paint. So we're going to do this in the bathroom. And it, as I say, momentous occasion because it's the first bit of paint we've got on the wall inside. Outside we've done it quite a lot, but inside. So
Let's go!
let's go and see what as you can see, it's not like it covers or anything, but it really is just.
So why is that? Because the plasterboard soaks it up?
Yeah, so it gives it a key as well for the other paint, but it also, I don't know whether I'm telling a complete and utter rubbish here, but it suffices to most. So it really, yeah, so it seals, it's like a, seals against, so the paint that you put on after this will not sink in and you'll have to do loads of different coats. But this is also acrylic, which makes it, again, a little bit more resistant to the water. But I am going to do me MDF, and that's really, I did have a comment about somebody saying, oh, if MDF, if that gets wet, you'll be sorry. Well, it's getting wet now, but it's being sealed. So that's the nice thing. And all these edges...
So can we just go...
Lisa, you can possibly do that. I couldn't possibly comment. But give me a little bit of credit. I don't know a lot, but I do know, various other things. You can get moisture resistant MDF.
Oh, can you?
Oh yes, you can get moisture.
Oh, can we do it again then?
I haven't used it, so I can't do that. Because I could have used moisture resistant, but it is quite expensive, so...
So while Ted cracks on with mist coating the bathroom, I crack on with mist coating the salon.
Hello, baby.
Hello, darling. Weekend off?
Yeah. Do you know what, though, that is good when you do have a weekend off? I used to find this with work as well. When you say you take a day off and then you start to work, you don't feel pressured.
No.
You're doing it. No. You don't feel like you're pressured into doing it because you're actually not supposed to be doing it because you're supposed to have a day off.
Well, you're doing a lovely job anyway. Hang on, man. Much to go.
Just
well done.
Finish this one, then I need to go put the potatoes on. Hummus and beef tonight.
Whoa.
Bit of roast beef.
In the old slow cooker?
Yeah.
Lovely. Mist coat number 1 done. You can see behind me. on the ceiling and on the walls. We'll turn around. Beam still needs to be cleaned. Look at that great big beam. It's amazing, isn't it? But all that done. So I think that's about wraps it up for today. It's about 6 o'clock on our day off. We're gonna have some dinner now. Lovely.
Okay, so we're in apartment 2 again. Can't wait. Pardon?
We spend our life.
We've spent a life in apartment 2. Can't wait to get this finished now because I'm just getting a bit bored of it. Bored of painting the ceiling. But it's getting there. It is getting there. So, what we've done this week is really concentrate on the ceiling. Obviously, you saw before Ted put the plasterboard up, but it's now all been, it was bisque coated, it's now had 2 coats of emulsion paint, and I think it looks fab. It makes the beams look great, and I haven't even treated the beams yet. They've still got to have a treatment on them, which just a protector. But yeah, I think it looks amazing. The walls have come up absolutely brilliant. I think for our first job on the ceiling of tape and jointing, I think we have done a bloody good job. I have to say, it's pat on the back time for us, baby.
We usually are.
Yeah, I think it looks great. Got to take the tape off because I knew I was going to be messy. So thank God I put the tape on. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I think it looks absolutely brilliant. So, got a lot of finishing up to do in here. So I thought I'd just show you. The window obviously needs to be finished and refurbed. The refrigerator needs to go in. Kitchen units need to be made by a teddy bear. The skirting obviously will be the last thing, and obviously it needs to be decorated. And then the other thing we've got to do is feathering. So if you can see where the wall has come to here, we need to do some feathering in so it feathers into the stonework. So still quite a few jobs, but I reckon probably 2 weeks and the bathroom should be finished. Are you a little bit worried about getting paint from the shower, baby?
No, I thought that you didn't like the tiles, so I was doing something about it. I think it's quite attractive with the Ursa terror.
You're recycling.
I'm upcycling. I'm not recycling. I'm upcycling these lovely bags that our rock wall came in, which is now firmly behind these walls. Is the bag.
What's been done in the bathroom, baby, to make it finished?
To make it finished, so all the shower is done. We have got to paint the walls. We've got to put the vanity unit on and plumb it in. We've got to plumb in the toilet. The sort of nice bits, if you like, the cosmetic bits have got to go in. The windows got to be refurbed. And then the doors have got to be put on. One door is made, one door is a barn door that I'm going to be making, hopefully, probably the weekend, next weekend, because I have to go and search timber.
And then grout the floor, and that's
grout the flooring, sorry, yeah, grout the flooring before the toilet goes in, but yes, we can do that.
Cool.
The ballon, obviously, is connected, but with what you've seen, the issues with the water, we can't run it. But we can finish the room. Cool. So we can finish the room and we can get the room looking nice so we can take it when it's, because it will look like a bathroom.
So we could just stand there and look at it.
Yeah. Like when we get the roof done.
And go, look at that lovely shower. I wish I could get in it.
It'd be so nice to jump in it.
So the Jean Pierre Suite was really coming along now. Come back next week to see the progress on that. But there's plenty of other rooms in the chateau we need to get started on. See you on the next chapter.